So at this point, you select pick up at your local distributor center, or you have two choices, or shipping address. So in case you have you need them to ship it to a certain address, you go for the second option, and then you select your country, you click on delivery service, you enter your full name, you enter your address here, you enter your address, and then you click on you check this button and you click on continue. Okay, so the next thing is, for if you are paying your $25 package, scroll down, you're going to see 25 partner package. Can you see? So all you have to do is to just it's already selected. So if this is your first time of registering and you are ready to make your payment for the $25 package, all you have to do is to just come over and click continue, because it has already added one. Can you see? One out of these is the first step you have to do. But if in case you've already paid your second package and you need to add your packages, all you have to do is to come over here, select the products. This is also the same way you do your upgrade. This is the same way you do your auto ship. This is the same way. Product reorder and order are just the same. Okay, so all you have to do is to just come over and add the specific products you want. If it's a package, the packages are listed here. So if you're doing promoter, here are the promoter packages we have. If you're doing the associate, these are the associate packages we have. We have about 3 of them. Okay, yeah, 1 2 3, we have 3 for you to select. If you're doing the mentor, these are the packages. If you're doing leader, here are they. So you can see. So once you want, now remember what I said, you have to first of all pay your subscription, and for you to pay subscription, it's already pre-selected. As you can see here in the total, it's already pre-selected. That's because I've not yet paid. So if I'm to pay for this particular one, all I'm supposed to do is to click on continue. Okay, so but what if you have the two? All you have to do is to come and add here, or maybe if you're doing your product reorder, or you're ready to make your payment, all you have to do is come over here, select your package, and you add it over here. Can you see? Just click on the plus on any of the packages. Make sure if you're not buying like the diamond or the VIP, make sure you select the particular one with the products you want, right? That's why they are clearly written out here for you. So once you're done, you click on continue. Right, you click on continue, and it's going to take you to the next step, which is the payment method, as you can see here. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on continue. Just click on continue when you get here. Okay, good. So it's asking me for the payment method. So for us here, what you are supposed to do is you can just come over here and select you can select if you want to pay okay, like how we've been doing with if you are paying for the $25, you can use the American Express, Visa card, MasterCard, this option here, right? You can use this option. But in case you making payments for your invoice, which is a bit high, we recommend you go for I think transfer from your bank account, and you click on continue. You click on continue. So it's going to highlight all the packages you're buying, right? I think you can even use this for all, right? It's going to highlight all your packages. All you have to do is come over here and click on create invoice. Can you see? And this is your invoice has been generated. This is with a specific amount. This includes even plus the diamond package and everything. So what you do here is you just come over here and click and download this one. You can also screenshot. That's another option, right? So once you screenshotted this, you can now use it and pay at your convenience. Let's say if it wasn't convenient for you to make payment at that moment. Okay, all right, so I believe this is clear. So once you click on create invoice, you have your invoice. You go ahead and make your payment, and that's it. Then you can go ahead and follow the other video on how to get your activation done, which is the other video I recorded. So this is basically how you can create you can do your registration, you can do your reorder, you can also do your all your shopping. Okay, so another thing is, let's say if you're not using the link, let's say you're coming straight up. Now let me quickly show you. for you to be able to register somebody from your back office, you have to be logged in, right? You have to be logged in. So once you're logged in, the first thing you come to is this. Once you are in your back office, to get your back office, let me try to load it from fresh. So after you log in, this is the next place you'll be taken to. Let me reload so that it takes up that I'm logged in. Okay, then you click on this little icon here. This is the back office icon. It's going to open on a fresh tab. You can see back office dot this. Okay, so this is because I'm logging into a new account that has never been logged in. Okay, so you can see once you're logged in, it's going to show you this place, right? So you click here and then you click on back office. Can you see the third option here? You click on back office. Okay, so I'm about to show you the second way to register. So what you do next is you just click on this option over here, as you can see, and then you come to no, not here, okay. The reason why I cannot enroll somebody into this particular account is because this account hasn't paid the activation fee yet. Do you understand? So but in the sense where you want to be able to register somebody, you want to be able to log in. Let me log in with my account since I'm already logged in. Okay, let me show you. You'll see the options will be different for me. So what you do in your back office, you just come over here. You can see the options are different. You can see Enroll New Associates. You click here and you click on Enroll New Associates. Okay, then you simply scroll down. You enter all the details as just like we did it. You click on the code and you click on sign in a new associate, and boom, your registration will be done. Okay, so but again, talking about okay, so I believe this is clear, right? Okay, so talking about how to place your product. Let's say you've already activated, you need to place your product. Where you come to again from here is you just come over here, click on these three options, then you come to shop and auto ship. Can you see? You come to, then the next place you come to is your online store, and boom, you are there, the same place we arrived at the other time. You can see. So in the case of Autoship, make sure you select Autoship as the type you're doing. Can you see? And then you scroll down here, you again select the one you want, but I think you should leave it as shipping address, leave it on delivery service, enter your details. So please, this was the address we were using the first time in order to get our product shipped to US. So now that we are already having products coming, feel free to use your own address here, right? Okay, and then click over here, click on continue, just the same way we did. You go to the next page and everything. So I believe following these steps, you'll be able to do your registration, be able to do your upgrade, be able to activate your account yourself. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.